Dear students, welcome back to All Fours e-learning classes. Okay, today problems on radical axis. First problem, the locus of the center of a circle which curves the circles 2x square plus 2y square minus x minus 7 equal to 0 and 4x square plus 4y square minus 3x minus y equal to 0 orthogonally is a straight line whose slope is. First convert given circle equations into general form. First dividing with 2. First circle we get x square plus y square minus 1 by 2 into x minus 7 by 2 equal to 0. It will be equation number 1. Dividing with 2. Next dividing with 4 for second circle, it is x square plus y square minus 3 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into y equal to 0. Equation number 2. Here dividing with 4 here. Dividing for x square plus y square minus 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4 y equal to 0. First here dividing with 2. First circle x square plus y square minus x by 2 minus 7 by 2 equal to 0. Dividing with 4 x square plus y square minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1 by 4 into y equal to 0. Okay, here the locus of the center of a circle. The locus of the center of a circle which curves given two circles orthogonally is a straight line. It is a straight line. The locus of the center of this circle. The locus of the center of this circle which curves given two circles orthogonally is a straight line whose slope is. Here we know that the locus of the center of this circle is radical axis of these two circles. The locus of the center of this circle is radical axis of these two circles. Here given line is radical axis of given circles. Here given line, this is the line. This line is the radical axis of given circles. Now equation of radical axis. Equation of radical axis. Equation of radical axis is s minus s dash equal to 0. Here this is for suppose s equal to 0, this is s dash equal to 0. Now s minus s dash equal to 0. S minus s dash. Here x square y square cancel, remaining s minus 1 by 2x minus 7 by 2. Here minus into minus plus, we also same, s minus s dash equal to 0. S minus s dash, x square y square get cancel, remaining s minus s dash means minus 1 by 2 into x minus 7 by 2. Here minus into minus plus 3 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 into y equal to 0. Now here LCM 4, therefore here minus 2x. Minus 2x, here 14 plus 3x plus y equal to 0. Next it is 3x minus 2x, x plus y minus 14 equal to 0. Here this is the locus of the center of this circle. Locus of the center of this circle. This circle curves these two circles orthogonally. Here equation of this line is x plus y minus 14 equal to 0. Now slope of the line is required. The slope of this line. Slope of this line equal to minus 1, minus a by b. Okay. Next problem. If the circle is x square plus y square minus 10x plus 2y plus 10 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 touch each other, the slope of the common tangent at the point of contact of the circles. Given circles S, x square plus y square minus 10x plus 2y plus 10 equal to 0, equation number 1. Okay, here s equal to 0. Next, s dash, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Here, these two circles touch each other. The slope of the common tangent at the point of contact of the circles. The two circles touch each other means touch each other internally, touch each other externally, touch each other internally. In this case, the common tangent at the point of contact. The common tangent at the point of contact is radical axis of the given circles. The two circles touch each other externally. The transverse common tangent is the radical axis of the two circles. The two circles touch each other internally. The direct common tangent is the radical axis of the two circles. Here, this is the point of contact. Here, the two circles touch each other. Then the slope of the common tangent at the point of contact. This is the point of contact. This is the point of contact. This is the point of contact. Now, this is radical axis of given circles. Here, the common tangent at the point of contact is radical axis of the given circles. Required line is here, given line is, given common tangent is s minus s dash equal to 0. Here s minus s dash means minus 10x plus 4x, x square y square get cancel, minus 10x plus 4x minus 6x, 2y plus 6y, it is 8y, okay, 2y plus 6y, 8y, 10 plus 12, 22 equal to 0. Okay, now minus 2 common, it is a 3x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 2 common. Okay, now this is the common tangent at the point of contact of the circles. Now slope of this line required. The slope of this line is what? 3/4. Next problem, if the length of tangents from A comma B to these two circles are equal, then 10A minus 2B equal to. If the length of tangents from A comma B to these two circles are equal, then 10A minus 2B equal to. Here, for suppose these are given circles. These are given circles. We know that from any point on the radical axis, of these two circles, powers equal. Then if the powers equal, then the lengths of the tangents also equal. Suppose this is the point A comma B. This is point A comma B. Here A comma B, the lengths of tangent from A comma B to the given circles are equal means the point A comma B must be lies on the radical axis of these two circles, given circles. Okay, right. Here the point A comma B lies on the radical axis. Clearly, the point the point A comma B lies on radical axis of given circles. Next, radical axis equation. Equation of radical axis. Equation of radical axis is s minus s dash equal to 0. Now implies here it is s dash, s minus s dash, minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x. Here there is no y term in the first equation, therefore minus into minus plus 2y. The constant minus 5 minus 6 minus 11 equal to 0 implies 10x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Here the point A comma B lies on this line. Here question given, the lengths of the tangent from the point A comma B to these two circles are equal. Therefore the point A comma B must be lies on the radical axis of the given circles. Here the point A comma B lies on this line, 10A minus 2B plus 7 equal to 0. Question, 10A minus 2B equal to what? Implies 10A minus 2B. Here 10A minus 2B equal to minus 11. Answer minus 11. Next problem. The equations of two circles are x square plus y square plus 2 lambda x plus 5 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 2 lambda y plus 5 equal to 0. Here P is any point on the line x minus y equal to 0. So PA and PB are the lengths of the tangents from P to the two circles. PA equal to 3. Then PB equal to what? Question. Here these are the given circles. Suppose this is the radical axis of these two circles. Here P is any point on the line x minus y equal to 0 means actually x minus y equal to 0 is the radical axis of these two circles. Clearly here equations 1 minus equation 2, x square y square get cancel. Here constant also cancel. 2 lambda x minus 2 lambda y equal to 0. 2 lambda common, x minus y equal to 0. Observe here equation minus equation 1 minus equation 2, we get x minus y equal to 0. Clearly in question given line is the radical axis of given two circles. This is x minus y equal to 0. Clearly given line x minus y equal to 0 is the radical axis of given circles. Clearly given line x minus y equal to 0 is the radical axis of given circles. Here when equation 1 minus equation 2 we get x minus y equal to 0. It means x minus y equal to 0 is the radical axis of given circles. We know that and also given here P is any point on the line x minus y equal to 0. Here P is any point on the line x minus y equal to 0. PA and PB are the lengths of the tangents from P to the two circles. It is PA, it is PB. Here actually these two are equal. From any point on the radical axis, these two circles lengths of the tangents equal. It means PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Here PA is given 3, PB. Therefore, PB is also 3. Here, in question given two circles equations. Here P is any point on the line x minus y equal to 0. Actually, x minus y equal to 0 is the radical axis of given two circles, and PA and PB are the lengths of the tangents from the point P to the given two circles. PA value is given 3, then PB equal to what? Question. Here, the point P lies on the radical axis of these two circles. Then PA equal to PB. Lengths of the tangents equal from the point P to the given circles. Here PA equal to 3, therefore PB is also 3. Another problem. The angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus kx plus 6y minus 59 equal to 0 is 5/4. Then k equal to what? Question. Here suppose theta is the angle between the given circles. Here k equal to what? Now using angle formula, cos theta equal to c plus c dash minus 2 of gg dash plus ff dash by 2 into under root of g square plus f square minus c g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Now cos 5/4 equal to c plus c dash, c 41, c dash minus 59, c dash equal to minus 59 minus 59 plus 2 of g dash, g equal to minus 6. Here g dash equal to k by 2 plus ff dash, f minus 3, f dash 3 divided by here 2 into under root of g square. Here g equal to minus 6, g square 36 plus f square. Here f square means minus 3 whole square, 9 minus 41 into under root of, next g dash square, k square by 4, k square by 4, next plus f dash square 3 square 9 plus 59. Okay, next cos 45, it is 1 by root 2, 41 minus 15, it is minus 18 minus 2 of LCM. Here minus 6k minus 18 by 2. In the denominator 2 into here 45 minus 41, it is under root of 4, this is 2, right. Here k square plus the 59 into 9, 59 plus 9, 68. Now 68 into 4, 68 into 4, it is 268, 278 actually, 278 by 4 under root Okay, next step, here 1 by root 2 equal to minus 18, here 2 cancel, plus 6k next here 2 cancel, plus 18 by here 4 outside the square root, 1 2 is cancel, remaining 2 into under root of k square plus 278. Okay, next here 18 cancel. Next cross multiplying and squaring on both sides, then it is here 6k whole square, it is 36k square into root 2 whole square means 2. Next 4 into k square plus 278. Here it is a 72k square equal to right side 4k square plus 4 into 278. Taking left side, then it is 68k square equal to 4 into 278. K square equal to here 68 4s are. Now k square equal to 16. Here k equal to plus or minus 4. K equal to plus or minus 4. Here question, the angle between the two circles is given pi by 4. Then k equal to what? Here theta equal to pi by 4. The theta is the angle between the given circles. Now cos theta equal to formula. Here substitute the values of g, f, c and g dash, f dash, c dash in this formula. Finally we get k equal to plus or minus 4. Next problem. The radius of one circle is twice the radius of another circle whose centers are 2, 0, 1, 2 respectively, cutting orthogonally. Then the radius of the first circle is. Radius of first circle equal to 2r. Here radius of one circle is twice the radius of another circle. Radius of second circle is r. Here radius of first circle twice the radius of second circle. Let radius of first circle is 2r, the radius of second circle is r. Here d is the distance between the centers. D is the distance between centers. Now d equal to under root of here 2 minus 1 whole square 1, 2 minus 0 whole square 4. It is root 5. Here two circles cut each other orthogonally. Then d square equal to condition. Here d square equal to condition r1 square plus r2 square. The two circles cut each other orthogonally. Then condition d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square. Here d square means 5. Here r1 means radius of the first circle, it is 2r. It is 4r square plus radius of the second circle, it is r square. Next it is 5r square. 5r square equal to 5. Therefore r square equal to 1, r equal to 1. Radius is positive only. Here radius of the first circle is what? The radius of first circle is 2 into r. Radius of first circle equal to 2r, that equal to 2 into 1, that equal to 2. Here radius of the second circle is 1, radius of the first circle is 2.